Hello, green thumbs and design lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for everything beautiful outside the home. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Take a look at your deck right now. Is it just sitting there holding a couple of plastic chairs? Or is it a vibrant, thriving green oasis that makes you want to step outside every single morning? If it's looking a little bare, don't worry. You are in the exact right place. Today, we are breaking down the absolute best deck gardening ideas that will completely transform your outdoor space from a boring wooden platform into a lush, jaw-dropping botanical paradise. Whether you have a massive wraparound deck or a tiny apartment balcony, these clever tricks are going to change the way you look at your outdoor living areas forever. Let's dive in. When we talk about deck gardening, we are talking about the art of utilizing your elevated or attached outdoor platform to grow a curated collection of plants, flowers, herbs, and even vegetables. Unlike a traditional backyard garden plot, a deck garden relies heavily on container planting, vertical structures, and strategic spatial design to maximize every single square inch. You should absolutely choose a deck garden because it brings nature directly to your back door, making maintenance an absolute breeze. There is no heavy tilling or kneeling in deep mud required. Instead, you get a clean, accessible, and easily controlled environment where you can prevent pests and manage soil quality perfectly. Plus, it serves as the ultimate design bridge, seamlessly connecting the cozy interior of your home with the natural beauty of the great outdoors. No garden? No problem. Even if you don't have a yard, you can grow an impressive amount of veggies, herbs, and flowers on a small deck, patio, or balcony. If you're ready to learn how to garden on a deck or doing deck gardening, this guide is packed with plant care tips and space-saving hacks that will transform your small space into a thriving oasis filled with all the plants you want. Here are the top 12 tips straight from experts for how to garden on a deck. One, check your lighting. Determining how much light your deck or patio receives daily can help you choose plants that are sure to thrive. While most veggies require at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sun daily, some herbs and flowers tolerate partial or even full shade. Between sunrise and sundown, follow the path of the sun and make a map showing the sun's arc. It may show that there are hot spots of sun for plants like tomatoes, peppers, and eggplants, and partly shaded areas for shade-tolerant plants, like calendula and basil. 2. Select roomy pots. Pots, railing planters, and small raised beds can be used to house plants on a small balconies, decks, or patios. Just make sure that growing containers have drainage holes and that they're appropriately sized for your plants. Larger pots give plants room to grow, but small pots can inhibit growth, and they dry out quickly. 3. Choose small space-friendly plants. Sprawling pumpkin vines can outgrow small gardens, but there are plenty of compact plants that thrive on decks and patios. Herbs like thyme, rosemary, sage, and mint are perfect for small spaces. You can also turn your deck garden into a kitchen garden by planting different foods you might use while cooking, beyond herbs. Loose leaf or mesclun mixed lettuce and baby greens, such as radish or beets, are great for window boxes too. And many of these greens are cut and come again. When selecting plants like beans, cucumbers, and tomatoes, look for determinate or bush-type plants. These varieties stay small and are well adapted to containers. 4. Consider color. If you're growing ornamentals, think about how flower colors play together, and don't shy away from colorful planters. Plants in pots with complementary colors draw the eye. However, too many colors in a small space can feel overwhelming. Color adds depth and allows you to easily create a vignette with your vegetables, herbs, and flowers. We recommend choosing a unifying color or theme and using that color throughout your deck garden. 5. Think vertically. Taking advantage of vertical space by growing plants on trellises, shelves, or in hanging baskets can help you fit more plants into small spaces. Vertical growing is especially helpful for vining plants, and it can even make small pumpkin varieties manageable. 6. Get creative. Want to create a deck garden on a budget? Look for pots or planters from local thrift stores, or make your own planters from items you already own. Consider using salvaged materials like coffee cans, milk crates, or wine boxes for unique and cost-effective containers. 7. Water wisely. Most plants need about an inch of water per week, but this varies between plant types. To avoid issues, always research the water requirements of the plants you want to grow, and take precautions to prevent water drips if you have neighbors beneath you. Place saucers or plates under clay pots to catch excess water and avoid overwatering. This will keep water from dripping down to a neighbor below. 8. Fertilize as needed. Container-grown plants need more fertilizer than plants in the garden, but they're also more vulnerable to over-fertilizing. The solution? Choose liquid organic fertilizers, dilute them with water before applying them to herbs and other light-feeding plants, and always read fertilizer instructions. 9. Plan for the season. To extend your harvest, succession plant fast-growing crops, like radishes and carrots, at 2 to 4 week intervals through early summer. Then, plant a final round of seeds in late summer for an autumn harvest. 10. Explore companion planting. Crops like cucumbers and melons won't fruit without pollinators, but you can easily invite pollinators in and increase harvests by using organic growing techniques and companion planting veggies with flowers. Flowers like borage and chamomile add beauty and taste great, and they attract pollinators. 11. Watch for pests. Pests are usually less problematic in container gardens, but can still occur. If you notice any signs of pests, like nibbled or discolored leaves, inspect your plants carefully and treat active infestations with hand-picking or organic soap sprays. 12. Harvest regularly. Harvesting herbs, veggies, and cut flowers regularly keeps plants productive and increases garden yields. Just remember to harvest cold-sensitive crops before frost, or move potted plants indoors for the winter. Aside from space issues, it's important to consider the weight of planters and soil, and to not use growing containers that are too heavy for your deck. Drainage issues can also lead to moisture problems and wood rot. However, these problems can often be avoided by sealing decks with waterproof stain and ensuring excess water freely flows off your deck. It is honestly amazing how a few well-placed planters, some vertical climbing vines, and a little bit of creative styling can turn a plain deck into your absolute favorite room in the entire house. You don't need a massive budget or a professional green thumb to make this happen. Just a little bit of inspiration and the willingness to get your hands dirty this weekend. Remember, your deck is an extension of your home, and it deserves to be just as beautiful, welcoming, and full of life as your living room. If you love these deck gardening ideas and are ready to start transforming your own outdoor space, please hit that like button right now. Don't forget to subscribe to Garden Decor Designs and click the notification bell so you never miss our weekly styling tips, plant hacks, and backyard makeovers. Drop a comment below and let me know, which of these ideas are you going to try first? Thank you so much for watching and happy gardening!
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.